Hey, this is Sabrina, Marketing Director for Ballen Brands. Today I want to show you how to set up a text message using TurboDial inside of Infusionsoft. So in Infusionsoft, we went into a new sequence within our campaign. If you're not familiar with how to set those up, we do have a great Infusionsoft training for you on our YouTube channel at Lori Ballen. So youtube.com/Lori Ballen, and you'll find the playlist in there. So what you're going to do is inside of here, you're going to drag and drop the send HTTP post option. Now we're going to double click on it to go ahead and edit it. And there's going to be a few different things that we're going to add. So with TurboDial, they do have a post URL. This should be the same with every TurboDial app, I believe. Now, TurboDial does have a few things that it does require you add in here. A lot of these are going to be the same for you as they are for me, but there are a couple elements that are going to be different, which I'll point out in just a moment. So the contact ID is going to stay. What we're going to do is we're going to add a plus sign, and we are going to add the user ID. Actually, we need to add the key first. You do have a product key that is given to you from TurboDial directly. That is going to be pasted here. These keys are very weird looking. They have a bunch of different lowercase and capital letters and some symbols and all that kind of stuff. So it's a very weird looking piece of text, but that is provided specifically by TurboDial and is unique to each TurboDial account. Then you're going to add the user ID. This is separate than the contact ID. This is actually the owner ID in the system. So I have these copied and pasted, but you can go into your merge fields, and we are going to go into the owner fields, most common. Let's see, owner fields, additional. Here it is, owner ID. Whoops. Perfect. So that's what we need in here. Now we're going to add another field. This is going to be the 2. This is the contact's phone number where you're sending the text messages to. So we're going to go to contact fields, phone 1. Then we're going to go to country. And this is going to be the contact's country. So this is probably going to be in their billing address, country. It might actually be in one of these other fields too. Additional. Nope. Okay. So yeah, you'll want to go into the billing address or the optional address here and do country. But the one that we use is just contact country from the billing address. Then we're going to do the from phone number. This does need to be typed out with a plus sign, the number 1, the area code, and then the rest of the phone number from there. Okay. Then we're going to have the reply, which is whatever email address you want responses to this text message to come to, because it does send you an email when your contacts respond. So with this one, I would just do mine. And they don't see that email address. That is just for your notifications. Then you have your message. This is whatever you want to actually have displayed in your text message. So you could say, hi, first name. Okay. Then this is optional. So all the fields we just went through are required. These next couple are optional. So you have a link option where you can paste the URL for a link that you want displayed in that text message. And there's an option for call name where you're going to get a little more advanced. And what this would do is if the link is clicked, then it goes in and applies a tag or does a certain action. It does an API goal, basically. So that's getting a little more advanced than what we're going to cover today. The link is pretty basic, so that's just an optional thing. Just paste the URL right in here. And that is how you set up a text. So when you're done, make sure that you mark it as ready, mark your sequence as ready, publish your campaign, and then it will send the text messages from there. If you have questions, you can reach us at team@ballenbrands.com or give us a call at 702-917-0755. Thanks.